Today I'm going to show you some cool tricks of what you can do in Google Sheets when you're working with names. This is another flipped classroom tutorials. Now the first thing I'll want you to do is create a new Google Sheets or simply open up a Google Sheets that has names in them. Now as you know, we can't use real names, so I've got a list of dummy names right here. Now, as we all know, when we're working with students, we get their first name and their surname often in the same column, all mumbled up and mixed together. So the first thing I'll want to do is I want these split. Now, as you can see, my names are all in the A column. I have a blank B column. Now, if you do not have a blank B column, simply click on the A column, right-click on that column and insert one to the right. This will create a blank column. Now we need that blank column because what we're going to do is we're going to split the name, and we're going to split it so that we retain the first name in the A column and have the surname in the B column. Now how do we do that? Very easy. Click on the A column. We're going to go to Data, and what we want to do now is split text into columns. Now whenever you do that, you will see that at the bottom of your selection there will be a separator. Now this is where you can now select what do you want Google to use to split those names. Now I'm going to use the space. Now as soon as I click on space, there we go. Our names have been split into two separate columns. Very powerful, very useful. Now let's say that I want these alphabetically rearranged. Well, simple, I'll select my information on my spreadsheet. I go to Data, and I'm going to sort this range A to Z. There we go. And we have now sorted everything alphabetically using the first names. Now to make this a little bit easier to work with, we're going to insert a row above this, so insert one above. We're going to title this name, and this is going to be the surname. Good. We're going to now highlight all our rows and use a format function called alternating colors. So simply click on alternating colors, and this has now made it much easier for you to read and work with. Now the next step is for us to use an add-on. Now the add-on that we're going to use is called Power Tools. Now if you are wondering how do I get these add-ons, simply click on Get Add-ons and do a search for Power Tools. And you will see that Power Tools is one of the first suggested options right here, Power Tools. Once you have this add-on installed, it's only a matter of you clicking on Power Tools and Start. Now the reason I use Power Tools in my spreadsheets a lot is because it has some very useful text-related functionality. So simply click on Start the add-on. We are going to select our text, and you will see that here there is a text option. You can click on this text and you will see there is a sentence case, capitalize each word, there is a lowercase function, uppercase, and toggle text. Now I'm going to set everything to uppercase. And there we go, everything has been made uppercase. Now let's say that this is how your students have filled out their forms. You get their names in uppercase. It is not what you need. You want proper sentence case wording, or you want capitalizing each word, which means that their name and surname will have a capital because you are trying to create some certificates using their names. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the text that needs changing. Now the first thing you'll want to do is make everything lowercase. So simply select lowercase and run the add-on. There we go. Now we're going to capitalize every word, so run it one more time. And we are now all done. All names have a proper capital at the beginning of the name. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.